Today I'm cooking delicious Kam Heong Fish Fillet, lightly crispy and very aromatic. This dish is perfect for an easy but fancy dinner. Add a vegetable dish and a complete meal is served. This recipe is for 5 servings. Let's start off with heating up the oil for deep frying. Place a frying pan on the stove and pour about 500 ml of cooking oil. Switch on the heat to medium and allow it to heat up for about 8 minutes. While waiting, let's marinate the fish. Here I have 300 grams of blackish water fish fillet, or any white flesh fish fillet will do. Sprinkle 1/4 tablespoon of salt over the fish. And rub to marinate. Turn them to the other side. And sprinkle another 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Rub evenly to ensure the fish fillet are well seasoned. Put them aside. Let's check on the oil by dipping the tip of wooden cooking chopstick. If bubble form, the oil is hot enough and ready for frying. Take 3 stalks of curry leaves and strip the leaves from the stem. Drop it directly into the hot oil. Ensure that all the leaves are completely dry. If there are any water droplets, it will cause a massive oil splash. Fry the curry leaves for 20 to 30 seconds. Remove the curry leaves from the hot oil with a strainer. Drain off the excess oil and leave them on a plate. Next, fry the fish. Coat each individual fish fillet with crispy flour. Roll it over on the top and bottom. Dust off the excess flour and place it directly in the hot oil. Continue with the next piece and repeat until completed. My pan is wide enough to fit all the fish fillet at once. In case yours does not fit, fry them in batches and only coat the fish fillet right before frying. Fry for 3 minutes without moving the fish. Then, turn and rotate them to the other side for even cooking. Otherwise, with using super high heat, the outside may be burned while the inside is still raw. After about 10 minutes, with a couple of turns, the fish fillet are well cooked and golden brown. Remove them from the frying pan with a strainer to rip off the excess oil. Place the strainer over a bowl and leave aside. Switch off the heat. Next, heat up the Kam Heong sauce. Place a clean pan on the stove and switch on the heat to medium. Use 180 grams of my homemade Kam Heong sauce. The recipe is in the See More link. Spread it out evenly in the pan. Add 100 ml of water and stir until slightly thin. It's still quite dry, so I am adding another 50 ml of water and mixing them for about 1 minute. See, it's getting heated up and the consistency is great. Next, add in the fish. Stir and mix until all the fish fillet are coated with the Kam Heong sauce. Lastly, add the fried curry leaves and give it a couple of stir to mix well, and we are done. A super simple Kam Heong Fish Fillet is ready to be served for dinner. Transfer to the serving plate and enjoy with some rice. Let's eat! It's great. The fried fish is very fresh and sweet, going really well with the delicious Kam Heong sauce. It's very aromatic and also perfect with rice. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!